Hello good people, greetings from Engramium Plus, your go-to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. In today's video, I will guide you through the easiest and most effective way to set up Google reCAPTCHA on your WordPress site. This will allow you to display reCAPTCHA on your login page, on the comment section page, on the registration page and more. This process is quick and we will have everything configured in just a few steps. So without any further ado, let's get started. The plugin we will be using today is Advanced Google reCAPTCHA. To get started, let's go to our WordPress dashboard and we'll click on Plugins, Add New, and in here we will search for Advanced Google reCAPTCHA. So this is the plugin. We will hit install now. It will take a few seconds to install the plugin. The plugin is already installed. We will click activate. After activating the plugin, we will get a settings. Under the settings, Advanced Google reCAPTCHA. We can access these settings in another way, that is if we go to install plugins, and from here we can click the settings. We will come here in this settings. The first step is done, which is install the plugin. Second step is choosing your reCAPTCHA type, and from here it's currently disabled. From here we can choose Google reCAPTCHA 2 version 2, Google reCAPTCHA version 3. Plugins offer several reCAPTCHA versions, both free and premium. The most common option are Google reCAPTCHA version 2, which feature is visible challenge for users, and Google reCAPTCHA version 3, which operates seamlessly in the background. In the plugin settings, we can choose where to display the reCAPTCHA and where to show. By default, the most critical forms are selected, but we can modify this as needed. For example, if you would like to enable this on the WooCommerce registration form, we can do that as well. So for example, let's enable this one, enable checkout form, and hit the save. Number 3, in configure the additional security features. For example, if we go to the activity, you can view logs of any hacking attempts and review security inside. This tab will empty if you have not yet configured the system. As we haven't configured any system, it's showing empty. The login protection, this one, allow you to enhance security by adding additional reCAPTCHA layers during the login attempts. You can also configure firewall settings from here for increased protection and choose to block access based on the specific countries from the country blocking options. Further security on your site from the unwanted traffic. The design tab offers template for your login page. From here we can choose the login, we can configure the logo, which is a pro feature. Can configure the field, which is also the pro feature, but today's video is all about the free version of the plugin. Additionally, we can grant temporary access to specific user from the plugin settings, from this one. Now back to the plugin settings, CAPTCHA settings, and set up the reCAPTCHA. To begin with, let's select reCAPTCHA version 2 from the drop down menu, and you can open a new tab. For example, I have opened a new tab as well. I will put this link in the video description, and from here we will click get started. Let's give a name, Engramium Plus, and we will select source based version 2 challenge, and we will need to add the domain. For that, let's copy our domain. We will copy this domain and we will paste it in here. you need to make sure that to remove HTTPS this part, and we will need to add www dot, and we need to remove this one as well. After that we will click this one, I agree to Google's cloud terms and service, and we will hit submit. We have our own site key and the secret key. Now we need to paste both keys into the corresponding field in the plugin settings. Let's copy this one and let's go to the plugins captcha settings and paste it in here, and let's go to again in here and copy the secret key, and we will paste it in here. So after that we will click verify captcha. Let's verify this one and submit the captcha. Now our captcha has been verified. Now we will hit save changes. Next step is configure where the captcha will appear. To do that, we'll go to where to show. We want our captcha to show on the login form, registration form, lost password form, and the comment form as well. After that, let's hit the save changes. Now we will test our reCAPTCHA. Now that everything is set up, let's go to the front end of the website, or let's go all post and check this one. Now we need to log out from this one because the captcha will show on the logged out state. As we can see, our captcha has been configured on the login page, and if we go to lost your password, we get the captcha in here as well. Click on the post. So this is our post, hello world, and in the comment section we have got the captcha, and it will prompt with captcha to challenge before any comment is submitted. Next step is advanced reCAPTCHA v3 setup. To do that, let's log into our WordPress dashboard again. Let's use this captcha and log in. To configure the captcha version 3, we will go to settings, advanced Google reCAPTCHA. The process for the setting up Google reCAPTCHA version 3 is the same. You need to just select Google reCAPTCHA version 3 from the drop down menu and follow the same step for generating and entering the keys. For example, let's verify this one. It's not verified because we don't have the captcha key and the secret key. Now we will go to the captcha configuration settings. Let's go back and let's create another one, Ngramium plus captcha v3. Now we will select v3, and the same way we'll add the domain. So we need to remove this and we need to add the www dot, and after that we'll hit submit. Now we have our own secret key and the site key for the Google reCAPTCHA version 3. We'll copy this site key and paste it in here, and we'll copy the secret key and paste it in here. Now we will click verify captcha, submit the captcha, and successfully implemented, and we will hit save changes. Now let's check on the front end. To do that, let's log out first. As you can see, this is the Google CAPTCHA version 3. Google CAPTCHA version 3 operates silently without requiring under interaction, making it preferred choice for many sites which won't display the challenge just like the Google version v2 reCAPTCHA. Your site remains secure with the invisible reCAPTCHA system as indicated by the verified logo, as you can see it in here. So this is how easy it is to configure reCAPTCHA on your WordPress website. Most websites now prefer the Google reCAPTCHA version 3 because it does not require users to solve challenges before submitting the forms. However, you still have the option to use the version 2 if you prefer that method. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned from it. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out any further tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below and I will happy to help. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.